Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we dive into one of the top brainstorming features, which is ClickUp and XTiles. So let's quickly dive into it. ClickUp offers a super flexible whiteboard experience. You can drop sticky note card, draw a flowchart, and even instantly turn brainstormed ideas into task or document. The upside is that it integrates your ideas directly into your project, which makes it easy to execute what you've brainstormed. And on the flip side, the visual board can feel a bit clunky if you're not careful. Performance can also lag when you are juggling a lot of items, and newer users may find its many features overwhelming. Then talking about XTiles, on the other hand, by contrast, is built for free-form visual thinking with a tile-based board where ideas can be moved, grouped, and styled like a digital sticky note. This makes it great for creative and non-linear brainstorming. However, while XTiles is highly visual and intuitive, its collaboration tools aren't as advanced as ClickUp's, and the mobile tablet experience can feel limited for detailed planning. So, in my opinion, use ClickUp if you want a powerful ideation tools and directly ties into execution, or pick XTiles if you prefer a clean visual board for creating and arranging ideas without clutter. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you do, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.